First of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Karismaah. I'm from Klang, Selangor, and I'm 20 years old. So about my background, I've been studying in Chinese school, in secondary school, and in Malay school, Sekolah Menengah. Actually, after Sekolah Menengah, I wanted to continue aviation industry in 2020. But then pandemic came and stopped my studies in aviation industry, so I decided not to waste my time, and I have studied for diploma in business management. So I've already graduated, and since I was scrolling Facebook and I saw advertisement in Aviation Career Malaysia, so I decided to just follow my dream. So now, after 1 month, I'm now a part of aviation and happy that it's my dream. I'm very happy that I'm here today. I would like to thank MEATECH and Aviation Career Malaysia for giving me this golden opportunity and to help me to fulfill my dream as well. I've been very grateful today and I'm very happy today, and I hope I can do my best. Think aviation, think MEATECH. Thank you. Bye-bye.